Hello everyone. Welcome to our English Practice Daily channel. Today we will learn very simple and common English questions and answer sentences. These sentences are great for beginners, kids, and anyone who wants to improve their English speaking and listening. Let's begin. Repeat after me. Part 1. Personal information. What is your name?
My name is Elham.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Great, let's continue. Part 2. Daily life. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 5 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat egg, jam, honey, bread with cream.
How do you go to school?
I go by car.
How do you go to work?
I go by train.
Do you cook every day?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Part 3. Weather and nature. How is the weather today?
It is rainy.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it is. No, it isn't.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it is. No, it isn't.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it is raining outside.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rainy days.
Is it hot in summer?
Yes, it is very hot in summer.
Is it cold in winter?
Yes, it is cold in winter.
What season do you like?
I like spring.
Is it windy today?
No, it is not windy today.
What do you wear in cold weather?
I wear a jacket.
What do you wear in hot weather?
I wear a t-shirt.
Is the sky clear?
Yes, the sky is clear.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I like snow.
Is it cloudy now?
Yes, it is cloudy.
What do you use in the rain?
I use an umbrella.
Is there a storm today?
No, there is no storm today.
What is your favorite weather?
My favorite weather is sunny weather.
Does it rain in your city?
Yes, it rains a lot.
Is the weather warm in spring?
Yes, it is warm in spring.
Is it snowing now?
No, it is not snowing now.
Is the weather good today?
Yes, the weather is good.
Do you like cold or hot weather?
I like hot weather.
Part 4. Feelings. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Are you scared?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Part 5. Food and drinks. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
What fruits do you like?
I like banana, melon, watermelon.
What vegetables do you like?
I like carrot, radish.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can. No, I can't.
Part 6. School and learning. Do you study English?
Yes, I do.
Is English easy?
Yes, it is. No, it isn't.
Is math hard?
Yes, it is. No, it isn't.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Part 8. Home and family. How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in our family.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I live with my parents. No, I do not live with my parents.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. No, I do not have brothers and sisters.
Is your room clean?
Yes, it is. No, it isn't.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook every day. No, I do not cook at home.
Part 8. Shopping. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping. No, I do not like shopping.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I shop online from Amazon. No, I do not shop online.
Do you buy clothes often?
Sometimes I buy clothes for myself. Yes. No.
Do you like cheap things?
Yes. No.
Do you compare prices?
Yes, sometimes. No, I always buy what I need.
Part 9. Travel and transport. Do you travel a lot?
Yes, I often travel to USA. No, I do not travel a lot.
Do you like driving?
Yes, I like driving more. No, I do not like driving more.
Do you like trains?
Yes. No.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I traveled to Canada and Dubai. No, I do not traveled more.
Do you ride a bicycle?
Yes. No.
Part 10. Time and date. What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
What month is it?
It is July.
What time is it?
It is 8 o'clock.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up 5 a.m. every day. No, I wake up 10 a.m. every day.
Do you sleep late?
Yes, I sleep at 1 a.m. every night. No, I sleep early every night.
Part 11. Yes or no practice. Do you like swimming?
Yes. No.
Do you like dancing?
Yes. No.
Do you like art?
Yes. No.
Do you like movies?
Yes. No.
Do you like studying?
Yes. No.
Part 12. Can questions. Can you swim?
Yes, I can. No, I can't.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can. No, I can't.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can. No, I can't.
Can you read this?
Yes. No.
Can you write your name?
Yes. No.
Part 13. WH questions. Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
What are you doing?
I'm listening to my English lessons.
What do you want?
I want a car.
When do you study?
I study at 4 p.m.
Why are you tired?
because I worked more today.
Part 14. Extra easy questions. Is this your pen?
Yes, it is my pen. No, it is not my pen.
Is that your bag?
Yes, it is my bag. No, it is not my bag.
Is he your friend?
Yes, he is my friend. No, he is not my friend.
Is the movie good?
Yes, it is so good. No, it is not so good.
Is the food tasty?
Yes, it is very tasty. No, it is not very tasty.
Part 15. Advanced Beginner. What do you do in your free time?
I play football and swim to the pool.
What makes you happy?
Listening to English makes me so happy.
What do you want to learn?
I want to learn English language.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to Canada.
Why do you study English?
Because English is an international language.
Great job, everyone! You learned simple English questions and answers today. Practice these every day to improve your speaking skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.